How to clear chat history on Telegram group chat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Telegram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then go to any of the group chat that you want to clear the chat history of. So here I'm going to choose this one. So in order to clear the chat history, all you have to do is tap on the group and then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. So as you tap on the three dotted lines, you'll be able to see the option of clear history. So just after tapping on clear history, it will give you a pop-up that if you really want to clear the chat history in the group. So tap on clear and there you go. The history has been cleared. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.